Yeah, and we're right here at Rancho Mitra, historical site. But there are a lot of peddlers right here of pearls. Yeah, it belongs to the Bajau. Yeah, Bajau and now Gujau because they're selling pearls. Yeah, yes, I mean, authentic pearls and their license. What would you expect in a ranch? Of course, horses, di ba, my man? Yeah, oh, gusto mo man sama kayo sa video, my man? Yeah, and Happy Hearts Day right here to the gents right here of Rancho Mitra. But of course, aside from this historical site, there are a lot of attractions right here. Like they got giant slide, they got rainbow slide. I mean, the rainbow giant slide. They got zip line, the giant swing. So all of these fun activities, outdoor activities right here. But the highlight, of course, that rest house, which is inspired by an umbrella. So it was actually built in 1987 by the late Speaker Amante Mitra Jr. And he's the one responsible why Pedro Princesa is now a city. So that's way back in January 1 of 1970.